How to make decorative mangoes. In today's video, we'll learn how to make beautiful mango shapes using glitter sheets and colorful craft paper. This method is very easy and fun. First, we need to create a mango shape template. For this, cut out a mango shape from a piece of cardboard. Next, trace this template onto colorful sheets of paper and cut out the mango shape carefully with scissors. Now, place your cut-out mango shape onto a glitter sheet, trace around it, and cut out the glitter mango shape as well. Stick the glitter mango onto a board or any background of your choice. To decorate it further, we'll create details using different colors of glitter sheets. You can add patterns, textures, or highlights to make it look more attractive. Make sure to neatly hide and secure any overlapping edges for a clean finish. See how beautifully we've created a decorative mango using simple sheets. It looks stunning and is very easy to make.